Okay, what is up everyone? This is Kiran here. Welcome back again to Tech Kiran YouTube channel. On talk about Pixel Experience Plus versus Xdroid, both of these custom ROMs are good enough, and most of the devices are compatible with it. Let's find out which other things you get here. Okay, this is what we have right now. The first one is Xdroid. In my left side and my right side, we have Pixel Experience Plus. Both of these builds are based on Android version 11. I think so. Both of the builds are kind of official ones. You can install them from their respective websites if you want to. Both of these builds have almost same kind of things. If you talk about the default launcher, you can see Pixel Launcher is the one you get pre-installed, and Pixel Launcher of course does not have many customizations, but you can change it very easily by installing some cool interesting Magisk modules, systemless launcher, and etc. Both of these have the interesting wallpapers. You get the Google wallpapers pre-installed. These are some kind of things which are almost same in both of these custom ROMs, which is very good. By the way, you can apply all these wallpapers, and in the terms of styles, you can create custom styles. In Pixel Experience, you get some styles available for you, like 3 or 4 or maybe 6 styles are already included, but in Xdroid you don't get these styles. You need to create your own, but you can customize better things. Grid size does not include any kind of major differences, kind of almost same. Here comes some changes. If you talk about the settings UI, you can see about phone, etc. In Xdroid you have some better options, but in Pixel Experience Plus you have almost stock UI, which means no extra features. But in Xdroid you get some bit of extra things. For example, you can see UI is little bit changed, kind of unique UI. I don't think so you get this UI in almost all custom ROMs. I don't think so. About phone will tell you some different things for you. You get the internet connectivity minimalist section where you get some customizations for you, and this option is unfortunately not available in the Pixel Experience Plus Edition custom ROM. But in Pixel Experience Plus Edition you have all these options. For example, in system, if you move on to these customizations, you get some status bar customizations for you. You can customize status bar, you can customize buttons, gestures. Basic customizations are already present, and this is almost same with Xdroid also. Xdroid has only different kind of UI, but features are basically same. There are no major differences in both of these custom ROMs. Both of these custom ROMs are good enough. But one of the major differences, most of the devices have this Xdroid as CAF based, and Pixel Experience Plus is based on AOSP. So this is one of the major differences, but everything else is same. And if you don't know what is CAF is basically chord over forms, and compared to AOSP it is faster than that. In the terms of performance, you might like Xdroid. In the terms of features and basic things, Pixel Experience might be the good choice for you, but everything depends upon user's opinion. Whichever you want to use, you can. Things are basically same. If you want to install it, link for the official websites and all the supported devices is in the description. You can check out on my website. This is all from today's video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and share this video. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe me to get all these videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Have a nice day.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.